It is about personal habit, personal hygiene, the figure. Make, what do you know about the figure?
So report नयाँ हो
मिलेछ अलि पछाडी छ त्यो बुकमा छ नि नीलम बुकमा छ नि बुकमा अलि पछाडी छ त्यो च्याप्टर
कोड
अनि what did you say? What are you asking? कोड त अघि पठाएको थियो अब पछि फेरि पठाइदिनु कोड त गुगल कोड फर होमवर्क
पुरानो हो कि नयाँ
पुरानै हो त्यहाँ कोही नयाँ आएको होला भनेर पठाएको क्या पुरानै हो Okay. Yes, personal hygiene. Figure देखियो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you see in the figure?
Introduction.
Yes. The personal habit, how one can develop their and what comes under personal health and hygiene. के कुरा day to day, everyday cleanliness, washing, shown in the figure. Now, what is personal hygiene? Are you listening, Krishna Pokhrel?
Yes, sir.
Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have done well in the exam, and I have seen your homework also. It was good. Okay. Now, personal hygiene is the practice of maintaining cleanliness of one's body and clothes. Personal belonging or clothes, is luggage, everything that should be neat and clean. Okay, and various exercises, moderate exercise should be done. Cleanliness, taking. You have seen, noticed in the figure also. That is known as personal hygiene. Maintaining cleanliness, doing various things, and maintaining or making in proper order, keeping ones in healthy way, hygienic way. Yes, our personal belongings be cleaned every day. Okay, so to preserve overall health and well-being, so that we can preserve, so that we can protect our body. So various things are to be done, our body healthy and well-being. Yes, this is known as personal hygiene. Personal hygiene ma garnu parne kuraharu yele ho. Okay, it is cleanliness, care of body, skin, hair, everything. These are the things these have to be done by ourselves. Okay, we have to develop the habit of making one's healthy. All these things. Understanding health and hygiene. Health, what is health and what is hygiene? Hygiene means cleanliness, clean environment. All these things comes under hygiene, and health is of your body, maintaining our body posture, body healthy, body organs, all that. So health of our body, and then hygiene, various activities that are done, that are followed in every day in our life, right? So these are the things to be performed in personal hygiene, separately health and hygiene. What comes in health and what comes in hygiene. Okay, health is level of functional metabolic efficiency for our body organs ko lagi, that consists of health. And next, personal hygiene, personal cleanliness, taking bath regularly, washing hands, cleaning clothes, trimming nails, all these come under hygiene. धेरै कुराहरु जुन गर्छौं हेल्दी हेबिट्सहरु परफर्म गर्छौं त्यो चाहिँ हाइजिन अन्तर्गत पर्छ। अनि मेन्टेन मेटाबोलिक फंक्सन प्रिजर्भ गर्न के गरिन्छ, दैट कम्स अन्डर हेल्थ, यो दुईटाको कुरा कम्बिनेसन मिलेपछि the result will be good, and the personal hygiene को main aim चाहिँ त्यही हो. Main aim of personal hygiene is that, okay, maintaining health and doing various activities on the personal hygiene. Regular physical exercise also, not only keeping one's healthy, clean, this and that, त्यो मात्र हैन, moderate type of exercise, regular exercise like yoga, like running, jumping, these activities has to be done. Activities पनि गर्नुपर्छ, physical exercise has also to be done, that also come under personal health and hygiene. Personal hygiene ma various physical activities also come under it. Okay. Okay. Personal hygiene can be maintained by how that is maintained, how we gain personal hygiene in our daily life. So these are the process. के भन्नुपर्छ यसमा, regular baths with soap and clean water, washing hands regularly after doing work and before and after meal with soap and clean water. यस्ता कुराहरू, these are healthy habits, they are regularly to be done. फिगरमा पनि देखाएको छ है. अनि फर्स्टमा नि यस्तै थियो, one baby having bath, another washing various utensils, hands, combing hair, trimming nail, isn't it? Hair cutting, all these things come under personal hygiene. Okay, what is the importance of personal hygiene? Importance. Cleanliness helps to prevent risk of infection and promotes good health. It protects our body from suffering of various diseases. हैन, सरसफाई आदि इत्यादि गरे भने के हुन्छ, what happens, we get our health good. Yes, so cleanliness helps to prevent risk of infection and promotes good health. So this is personal hygiene is important. Well clean body and dress give us appearance. We look good, we look smart. And when my cleanliness got up to date, if we become able to keep oneself up to date, then we look good and smart. A well-maintained body image enhances confidence and motivation. Okay. Well-maintained body image enhances confidence and motivation. Smart, refresh, we become refreshed. If we are taking bath, we become fresh. Okay, so these are the things. And next, a clean person is liked by everyone, or stinky person nearby you. Do you like Krishna?
No, sir.
So a clean person liked by everyone, and such person can maintain good relation with others, which is needed for happy life. Okay. Okay. Yes, see the figure. Various activities. Oral hygiene. Also another example of oral hygiene. And bathing. Yes, bathing and hair, care of hair and food hygiene, washing of feet, all that. Okay. Toilet hygiene, what is done, you know that. And hand hygiene, washing hands, and coughing hygiene. While coughing, sneezing, we have to close our mouth with handkerchief, isn't it? Okay. Home hygiene, Burma, in your rooms, in your kitchen, in your waiting room, के गरिन्छ properly orderly गर्ने कुराहरू. So these are the various processes. ways of ways of body care and health by adolescents. Adolescents means
Teenage.
yes, teenage people above 12 years, 13 years, 15 years, up to 19 years, from 12 to 19 years in between. हो त्यो एज ग्रुपलाई के भनिन्छ एडोलेसेन्ट. अब वाट शुड दे टेक केयर अफ भन्दाखेरि गर्ल्स, इट इज अबाउट फर्स्ट गर्ल्स क्यान मेन्टेन हेल्थ एन्ड हाइजिन बाई रेगुलर एन्ड daily bath and cleanliness of external reproductive organs menstruation period मा बढी विशेष गरेर ख्याल गर्नुपर्छ. So these are the things to be followed, hygienic rules to be done, to be performed or to be followed by the girls, mainly girls. Few of the points are different, especially for the girls, and many other points are common for boys and girls, isn't it? Yes, Cecil Silwan, are you listening? Silwan. Okay, now girls should follow these things for their health and hygiene. Okay. And next is health and hygiene by the following ways. Yes, Amrit Chan, are you listening to me?
Sir.
Amrit?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who is writing on that board?
Sir, technically गरे नाम देऊ.
अहिले म फेरि जेबल गर्नु पर्यो ल. Still writing? Tell him to write again. Is it recorded? Okay, boys can maintain health that we should do in the health. Okay, and you have got homework also. यो no, not so lengthy. यो personal hygiene भने धेरै लामो छैन, यति नै हो. These are the main point. Boys can maintain good health is important, required, all these things. See the figure. Regularly, बेला बेलामा, time to time, we have to go for medical checkup. गर्नुपर्छ. Regular medical checkup should be done so as to maintain our health. Okay? Yes. Now these are the homework. See, what is personal hygiene? Anybody? Amrit Chan, can you write? Write in 2 or 3, 4 lines, not more than 4 lines, okay? Write any 2 healthy habits to maintain personal hygiene. Regularly, yoga. That are given in above chapters, right? Above points, you can see that, you can follow those. So any 2, पछि म उसमा पनि पठाइदिन्छु. Okay, write any 2 importances of personal hygiene in our life. Okay, importances of personal hygiene भनेर लेखेको टपिक थियो नि अमृत थापा. Ishan, hello Ishan. Amrit Chan.
Yes, sir.
Arun Thapa, yes. Do you have any problem?
I'm writing.
In number 1?
Sir.
Yes. what is personal hygiene? Number 2, two healthy habits. हामीले के दुईटा राम्रो काम गर्नुपर्छ, राइट इन 2 points.
Regular.
Number 3, yes. Okay, write any 2 importance of important अघि भनेको थियो नि, important यो गर्छ, it protects our body from various diseases. This can be the one of the important point of personal hygiene. त्यसै गरेर नम्बर लेख्ने. And number 4, what are your 4 healthy habits to maintain health and hygiene? आफूले गरेका को के गुड हेबिट तिमी गर्छौ, so as you can maintain healthy habits.
Oral hygiene?
You can develop healthy oral hygiene गर्छ, अरु के गर्छ, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज गर्छ हैन, क्लिन you take care of, yes, you take care of cleanliness हैन, त्यस्तै गरेर 4 वटा हेबिट लेख्ने. Girls can write their from their side, girls, and boys ले आफ्नो. What are your 4 भनेको छ, your 4 मा त के हुन्छ, some of you are boys, some of you are girls. गर्ल्स ले गर्ल कै अनुसारको लेख्ने, अनि बोयज ले आफ्नो बोयज अनुसारको लेख्ने. All right? Yes, time is सकिल, time is also going to be over. And यो म भरेतिर पठाइदिन्छु.
सर यो 4 वटा मात्र गर्ने हो.
अब यति भए पुग्छ. यसमा सबै मेन कुराहरू आउँछ. अनि 4 वटा दिएको छ. This time you have got 10 of 10 marks, right? Last time how much did you have?
सर हामीले त्यो समिति गर्दै
last time you had 20 marks को थियो, अहिले this time you have got 10 marks.
10 marks.
So personal hygiene is over, and next class will be next week. It will be of food and nutrition. Right?
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.